Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Ronas stem cell solution, or you can say like anti-aging serum. So you should try this serum or not, and what are the major problems, why you should not use this product. So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you, like, in today's time these kind of microneedle serums is really amazing. Okay, and you can also see like Ronas stem cell solution provides you related to aging related problems, and it will also provide you hydration in your like skin cells. So it will really amazing product. Okay, and you can see like over here there are, you can see like lots of, you can see like doses, like you can see over here there are approx 10, you can see like vials, and you will get amazing results after using this product. So basically you can see over here there are the benefits, like it will moisturize to energize and revitalize the skin. So basically you have to use this kind of product from a long period of time, like you have to use these kind of serums like approx 3 months, or we can say like 12, you can say like 12 weeks. Okay, so after using 12 weeks you will get amazing results, and you will see lots of brightness or lots of, you can like shine on your skin, and you will get amazing results. Okay, so this is amazing product, and this is a very good product. You can try it and you can get the benefits. Okay, so the exact thing I want to tell you is the brand is looking like a good thing, and the product is also looking like a worthy. Okay, so you can try it and you can get the benefits. Okay, so that's it. If you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts also in our you can like comment box, and you can see the reviews of the product is like also good, so you can take a decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I will provide you my link so you can make a purchase of this product. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.